option. So I'm going to start with number one option. So it is employee menu, and already students, the part of ours we already clarified. Come in, come in. So 7 a.m. under that files, at the part of that there is a something like this. This is the one. This part is completed. This part also started. Now I'm going for what? emp add.py. emp add.py. I will take this. Go to the new file now. New, come in. emp file.py. emp add.py. So there I'm writing emp add.py. Here I'm saying program for adding new employee to employee.pick. Employee.pick. Pick. Already employee.pick program is there or not? Already there is an employee.pick program. So there is an unpick example one, which we executed already in our case. These are the details which is already present. So we are adding newly now. So employee pick. So whatever the code was written in the last class, the same code will be taking up now. Which code was written for adding new employee? For pickling is concerned, this code I will take it. This code I will take it. So here I am going to write it. Coming to the place back, this part I will take it. This part I will take it. In this place I am going to write it. What is this now? Save EMP record. Employee.pick opened in that, and I added this employee details, and I created this, and we saved that. Do you want to add another record? If I say no, it is exiting. This spot I will go for what is my emp.add is called file name and module name and module name. Very important. So emp.add.py should be taken up, and we need to go for attaching here. What should I call it now? What is the file name I need to take out? What is the file name here? emp.add. What is the file name? Function name I have to call save. I'll go to this main program. I will say this now. You will be getting compulsory error. So I need to import from where? emp.add. Import. What is that? Save emp record. Save that. You can access it. Next one is called what here? Second part is called what? Viewing. I want to view. For view is concerned, I was written already which kind of code? emp view. There I need to write view all employees, and next is called view employee, single employee. This file I will write it. Very useful application. Go to this place now. This is called adding the employee. Now one more kind of thing. I will go to this place. So here employee view dot py, it is a file name and a module name. Module name. There we are going to write it. Code for viewing all employees or single employee. Single employee. I'm writing it. There I'm taking up DEF. DEF. What I want to do it. View all employees. View all employees. This is one thing. One more is called about view employee. View employee. Just view employee. I say pass here. So view all employees. I need to go for writing the code. Which code I will write it? Unpickling code I need to write it. Unpickle code is there na? This code I will write it. Unpickle. This is called pickling. Unpickle code last class I posted for you. This is what I need to go for it. This program I will carry. All the records are going to be coming. So this place I will save it. This place I will save it. Save this entire thing. This is called a function. So I will add it. View all employees. This is a code we wrote in the last class. The same function name I am going to take it. In this case, what is happening? Main program, I will go for it. In this case, view all employees. The function name, I will write it. What is my function name here? View all employees. View all employees. This I need to take up. So here I will go to the main program, view all employees. This part from here I will go for it. From EMP, view. What is that? Import view all employees. Okay. One more kind of thing. This three means I need to go forward view only. In that I need to write a separate program for view employee. This is we need to write the logic. In this place, what should I do? In this place, what should I do? One employee details I want to get it. How do I get one employee detail? Here I will write it. Of course, open the file with open. I will take it as what? Employee.pic, comma, what is this now? RB. As what? FP. So I will get the data. How do I get the data? Same, this kind of case only. I'm going to get it, return it. Now I need to get it. I'm saying while true, take care, while true. As usual, I will write a try, get the record is equal to pickle dot, what is this? Load of FP. What is coming? First record is coming, right? First record is coming. That record contains what data? First pickle data. What is the data which is available here? 100 is available. Which employee details you want to search? I will ask which employee you want to search. I will ask from there. So here I will ask, after this is over, here I will take it. EMP NO is equal to int of input of enter employee number, enter employee number to view details, That employee number is coming. That employee number I want to search in the record. What you got it? How many records are available there? So many number of records are there. This employee number, which is coming in the form of list, that I will compare with what? ENO. This employee numbers are coming in the form of what? List they are going to come. List. So how do you write this now? Anybody else? First of all, are you following me? And I don't think you are following. If you are following, you must answer this. What should I do now? So coming to the point of it, now I'm going to enter into, come on, if, చెప్పలేరు మీరు ఈఎంపి ఎన్ఓ is equal to, right, Devasaki, Dikshavi, record of 0. Very good, ma. Keep it up. Record of 0. Super. Keep it up. Dikshavi. Good. Nice answer. EMP number is equal to record of 0. Because it is available in the form of record. In the record, I am searching for what? The employee number, what you have. This is the number. This is called a list. List means what I said, index will be there. Employee numbers are available in where? First place only this is available. So 100 is available. If that 100 is equal to this one, what I will do? I will hold, I will get it. I'll say break. And I will say what? Found is equal to true. Because I found the record. So I will get it. EMP REC is equal to record of record. I will hold it. That particular record, I will keep it into this record. Break, I will say. Break, I am saying. For this case, I will say found is equal to false. I will take it. Found is equal to false. I will take it. Once you say break it, it is coming out of the loop. Here after coming out, what I will do now? Of course, I need to write exception also. I need to write exception also here, except, and you know already EOF error. And here I will write that break is different. So here found out, right? I'm preserving that record into EMP rec, and you are coming out of that while loop. There I will print if found, if found, if found. That means if it is true, what I will do? Here I will do what, I will print my data. What is the data? Here I am writing of 40. Of course, 40 I will write it. Here I will say employee details. Print of that a particular employee details I am printing. Employee details. Employee details. So there I will write it in this case. So I will write it print of employee number. Employee number is equal to dot format of record of 0, record of 0, record of 0, employee name, I'll print it, employee name, I'm going to print it of 1. Next I will print it, employee salary, employee salary. So I'm writing here of 2. Next I'm writing employee designation, employee designation is called what here, 3. 3. These are the details we got it. So backslash t, backslash t, backslash t, backslash t, backslash t. This is the information related to that. If it is found that, if it is found is false, I say that what, employee record, employee record does not exist. Employee record does not exist. Employee record does not exist. This is related to what? View a particular employee. If this file is not there, I will do what? Try. If the file is not there, I will write a try. I'll say what, except. I will write except. So here I will write it, So here I will write it except file, file not found error. File not found error. So here employee file does not exist. Employee file does not exist. Employee file does not exist. This is related to the concept of what? View employee and information is written. Only one employee record I am searching at a time. So let us move to the further. Here I am going to write it. Coming to the point of it. So go to the place and try to enter. Go to the main project. What is the third one? Third one is called what? That only. View employee. View employee. So there I am getting it. Automatically what you are getting? View employees. View employee. View employees one by one and all those 6. And fourth one is called what? Search for an employee. Search for an employee. So here I'm going to write it. Searching is nothing but what? Whether the employee found or not. It is almost equal to what? View employee only. It is almost equal to what? View employee only. So view employee means single employee you are going to get it. Here you are going to get it what? Search employee is nothing but almost similar only. So I'll go to this place. Here I'm going to write it. Searching for an employee, whether the employee present or not. So I will take a, here I'm going to take a, add one more thing here. So let it be pass only. Let me complete that and I will bring it. So here I'm writing employee search.py, search.py. Here code for searching an employee, searching an employee based on employee number, based on employee number. Exactly in this place, I will give as it is like this. Searching. Whether the employee found or not, we will go for it. So the same thing, search employee, search employee. If you want, you can just write it. I need to import pickle, import a pickle, and previous program also import a pickle, that is already done. Such mechanism anyhow you try to take up. This is a file name come module name. It's a file name and module name. Module name it is. Fine. Students, this we got it. Found is equal to record is equal to. Here I am writing. Actually, this is record we are taking it. You can write, since I preserved it, you need to write EMP record. You can write it, either you can write that part or you can write EMP rec. I will write in this place. Okay, let it be. If error is coming, we will go for changing it. Okay. So this is comes under main project also will come. What is my function name here? So what is the function name? Search employee. Search employee. Import EMP search. Import search employee. Got it. So perfectly all the things is done. Let us run this code. Now this is my program now. So the total code was available here. Let us enter your choice. What I'm going to do? 3. 3 now, 4 now, 2 now, 2. So what is happening? All the employee details are shown or not? All the employee details are shown. Now go for what? I'm going to enter into what, enter choice number 1. So 1 here. Add a new employee. Enter the employee number. I will go to employee number is called 800. 800. So I will enter the student name is called Dikshavi. So Dikshavi, I will write something like DV. And the salary is called 1.5. And next is called a designation is called what? Software engineer. So employee record is saved in a file. So I will say no. So here I want to view all the employees. So to you say it is Dikshavi is added to what? This data. You go for what? Entering some details. What is that? 3. You say 3. I will enter the number called what? I will enter the number called 500. I will enter 500. I am entering. So am I getting the 500 details or not? 500 details are coming. Next is called search an employee, which is almost similar only, which is called 4. The 3 only you try to see one more. 3. What is that employee number? I will go for what? 700. I will say 700. 700. I will say 700 details are showing here. 700 details are showing. Now search for an employee. 4. Enter an employee number. I say 125. 125 definitely not there. Employee record does not exist. Are you seeing that? Employee record does not exist. I will say fourth. So 600, I will say 600. Now I got the employee details. I got it. I think you are getting it. This is related to what? I will say something like 5, which is called what? Exit. This is comes under what? A beautiful example which covers all the files and pickling concept. Understood that? Now, students, you can do update also, you can do update. How do you update the data generally? To update the data, carefully try to understand. If you want to update it, first you need to do what? Get all the records. What you want to do the changes? Employee number, you want to do the changes. Based on employee number, you want to do the change of what? Employee designation you can change, plus salary you can change. How do you change that? By using pickling concept, by going for one function. List data you will change because you are getting the data now. So if you are expecting, I will write the code for it. Shall I write the code? Updating the employee data. Now I'm writing with pickling. Separately, I will write the code. Separately, I will write the code. Employee update. EMP update. Dot what? PY. EMP update dot PY. Very, very important, students. This is known as what here? file name and module name. File name and module name. There I need to write it. What should I do there? Here I'm writing DEF EMP updates. Employee update. So update I'm going to take up. So inside of it, what I will do, I will open the file. Same to same. Whatever the thing you have done it, whatever you have done in the search employee, that code I will carry, students. I do some changes here. I do some change here. Or you, whatever you like it. Employee add is there, employee view is there. That code you get it, or employee record this part you get it. This better, I will get this kind of logic. Better, I will get this type of logic. This is really very, very important. You must carefully follow me. So employee update with the open pick of RB, pick of RB, reading, enter employee number to update which details, update EMP sal and designation, sal and designation. So I wrote it, employee salary and designation. Okay. Found is equal to false. Found is equal to false. Right. While true. What you are getting here? Of course, import what here? Import what? Pickle. This you are updating, reading the record. If the number is found, what are we doing? We are found true. Then there we need to do what? We have to update which details? Salary and yes, we need to update that. So how do you update? That is the main important. So I'm going to update. So that details I'm going to update. How you can update? That is the most important here. Whichever data you are updating, that I have to get it. So you are getting while true, you have to get it what here? When you go to my project, it is really a challenging task for you people. See that number one, that is number two, I will go for it. These are my details. First, I have to print what? This is a record number one. This is a record number two. This is a record 0, record 1, record 2. Like that, I need to go for it. How do you know that these are going to be containing something like this? These are all available in the form of what? List, list. So what I'm going to do is, while I'm going to update this, first I will keep that records into where? One list I will keep it. One list I will keep it. Just to try to understand. All these things you try to eliminate. All these things you try to eliminate. This also you try to take out. This also try to take out. Because I'm doing some beautiful coding. You take it as what? All EMP records you take it is equal to what you are taking? You are taking one list. This is already called what? One list. You add that record to whom? All EMP records. Why I am taking? Because I want to take the record number plus record values also. How do you do that now? All EMP records dot append. I will say append of what I am saying? Record. So that records are appended. Once it reaches to ending, all EMP REC. What is happening here? Indentation. So because of that, it is added. What I am going to do after coming out of it? After coming out of it, carefully follow. After coming out of this while loop, I will just print it as what? I will just print it as what? All EMP REC. So just observe it. Here I'm not going to talk about any of the related to my application. Later I will plug in the application here. Main program I'm going to take up. In this main program, what I will do? EMP update. EMP update I'm going to do it. Try to just run this example. Try to run this example. So what is happening here? First record, second record, third record, like that, all the records are coming. Are you following me? All the records are coming. Okay. Then now students, I want to go for printing this data. How do you print it? Just to see. EMP REC in where all EMP recs. There I'm going to print it. EMP REC. EMP REC. So I'm going to print it. All the records are coming or not? Now, which record I have to update? That is an important. This entire details are there. Which details I am going to update? That is an important. This one, which one I am doing that? I need to know. For that, I am asking next level. This is only for our purpose of display. Now I am going to take up. After getting these details, I will ask what? Enter which employee number you want to update. EMPNO is equal to int of input of enter employee number to update EMP salary cell and designation that I'm going to take up. Those details I'm going to take up. Employee number, I got it. From that employee number, what should I do? That employee number I should search in where? I should search in where? All EMP records. All EMP records. That too, in the employee record, anyhow, the details are coming or not? During the display time, that employee details are coming. This is also going to ask you. There I will write it. There I am going to write it. These employee records are coming. How do you take this value? How do you take this value? Come on. 0. REC of I will take up this data only. Once this is coming here, this part I will write on the top of this loop. Here I'm going to say if REC EMP REC of 0 is equal to what? EMP is equal to what I will write? EMPNO. If it find in that, what I will do? I will update. How do you update it? Which column I will update it? I will update salary column. I will update what? Designation column. What is the, this is called 0th index, first index, second index, third index. So this is pointed by what? EMP REC. That EMP REC is already there in where? EMP REC already there in where? I will go for writing all EMP record of what I should pass it? What should I pass it? In this case, what is the record is coming? Which record is coming? In this place, that record number required or not? Here, this is known as what? 0th record, first record, second record, third record, fourth record, fifth record. Like that, we are getting it. Are you following me? So, if you don't understand, I will write like this. Print of what? This is really a challenging task. R is all EMP REC of what? 0. It will give you first record. Of course, that part you take care. This part you take care. So this is going to give you this part for 1 minute you take care. 0 is coming. 0th record is coming or not? Like that, what is the next is coming? 1 I will write it. That 1 is coming. 1 related employee is coming. So that data I want to update it. That data I want to update it. How do you update it? So record number I want plus what I want? Index I want. For that, if you follow me, I will take it for your understanding purpose. I is equal to what here? 0 I will take it. 0 I will take it. Try to follow me carefully. Here I am trying to write it. For I will write it or I will take like this because I will go on because it's not a recorded video or something because I'm preparing the logic. Carefully try to follow. Range of len of what is this now? All EMP REC. All EMP REC. Print of what? All EMP REC of what I'm writing? I am writing I. So try to run it once. What is happening here? Closing bracket. Try to run all of them. What is happening? Of course, that is leave that part. Am I getting all the records or not? So I'm quite interested in taking this I. Only I you print it. That I will give you what? Record indices. So I will try to remove that. Am I getting my 7 records are there or not? That time I am going to introduce this part employee number. How do you write it? If EMP number is equal to all EMP REC of I of what? 0. Okay, not getting. No problem. No problem. I will print this data. Only employee numbers I will print. It's a beautiful logic. This is not a normal or challenging task. It is all the employee numbers. In that record, employee numbers. In that record, first record, that records. I want to go for one. I want to go for one names. I want to go for what? 2. What will come? Yes. I want to go for 3. I want to go for 3. What will come? Yes. So here, designations. So today, what I'm going to do, EMP number is compared with what? 0. Employee numbers. What I do? If it is satisfied, what should I do? There I will do what? EMP number is equal to eliminate that comment. I will go for that. If employee number is found, if employee number is found, if it is matching, do what? Update. Which one I will update? All EMP rec of what? What is that value? More 2. 2 is called which one? Salary. There I will take it. Float of, float of, input of, enter new employee salary. Enter new EMP sal. New employee sal. Okay. Entered and updated also. Entered and updated also. So go to the next I'm going to take it. The same kind of sentence. I will go to this. In the case of that, I will take it as what? 2, 2, 3. Enter what? New designation. Enter new employee designation. Enter new salary for an employee or new employee salary or new employee designation. Then after that, what I will do? I will say break. Why? It is updated or not? I'll say break. Once you say break, it is coming out of it or not? So here I will write it. Updation done or not? So here I will write it. Updation is equal to what? True. I did updation is true. Here I will take it. Updation is called what here? So updation is called what? False. Why false and true? Because that employee number may not be present with that. Updation is equal to false, updation is equal to true. What I will do in this case when I come back? If updation, that is called a true, what I will say? What I will say? Employee details are updated. Employee details are updated. Updated. You want to see the details? You can see that. Print of what? Print of what? All EMP rec. All EMP rec. Complete inner list is printing. You want to print the details newly one by one. You want to print, you can print. For REC in all employee records, print of what? REC. Okay. I hope I'm not giving you confusion for you. Else, I'm saying that what is this now? Employee number does not exist. EMP number does not exist. EMP number does not exist. So I hope I'm getting you. Getting students? So coming to the point of it, try to run it. It is appended. At the same time, you want to print the records, you can print it. So let us, you want to print the record, you can print it. Records you want to print, you can print it. Try to run this. So now it is going to be, these are my details. I'm showing the details. Now I'm asking, enter employee number to update employee salary along with designation. 125 I'm writing. What is happening? Employee number does not exist. Okay. So try to run again. Enter the employee number. So I will go for what? Something like, something like, 300. 300 I'm taking. Enter new employee salary. 300 is there or not? Yes. What is an employee salary already? 5.6. So he is getting 7.8. So is called what? So AI researcher. AI researcher is becoming. AI researcher is becoming. So could not convert float. Somewhere else there is a yes. So no problem. Here we will go for it. Remove this. Why you did not say this? No? You said but I did not hear. No problem. Not an issue. Say this now. 300. 300. Employee salary 7.8. AI researcher. AI researcher. Is it becoming AI researcher or not? Updated. This is called something. Now it is updated. It is updated or not? This updated data, I want to write to the file. This updated data, I want to write to the file. Our file contains what? Old data. This I want to write to the file. Are you following? It's a really great task. Actually, I don't want to waste this time. But if you do such example, one, it is enough for the life. Because people don't know how to do this file level updations. But if you go to industry, such high thinking is required. So it is done. It is showing the records and updating, asking the updations. So if you want to take it, so available employee details. Here I'm going to take it. Available employee details. Or you can take it. Let it be. This is only for your understanding purpose. I was written it. Next I'm going to take it. This is printed. You are printing the details. Okay. Next I'm going to take it. Update na EMP update. What I do is I need to update the file. For that, I'm going to write it. One beautiful concept I'm going to bring it. What that employee details are updated. Here I will do what? After printing that, I'm going to call it. One function I will call students. What is the function I'm going to call? Update file. Update file. What I will pass? This updated records I will send. Where is my concept of updated records? All employee records. What is update file? Is my new function. Is my new function. Is my new function. This is comes under is my new function. update file is called my new function. I'm going to take out. So here I'm writing a new file called what? Update file. This I'm going to write it as a new file here. Tell me now, df update new file. So what should I do there now? So writing here, there I need to write it. Are you following me? So in the update file, what I will do? All these records are ready with me. These records I will go for what? Writing to the file. Already file was containing old data, no? This was old data, right? That old data need to be overridden with what? New data. So I must open the file in which mode? Which mode? W mode. Beautiful. W plus what? Binary also. W plus binary also. Are you getting me? Okay. Beautiful. Go to that. In this place, I must go for it. Tell me what should I do? With open emp dot pick comma, what is that? WB. 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 Why WB I am using, sir? Why not you locate that? Because indexing is very difficult. Indexing is very difficult. Okay. WB I took it. What should I do? What should I do? All of this, my records are ready or not? So these records are containing what? Values are available. If you want, you can check it once. You see once. You want to print, you can print. For record in where? All records. You want to see print of what? Record. Record. Just look at that. Anyhow, this part is there na. Employee records are there na. Just I'm keeping comment. Why comment here? Because I'm not writing this. Only that I'm printing here. Take care and try to run this. So I got it. These are my details. I already see original data is not coming because I did not update now. So I'll go to what? 500. So I'll go for what, so 800, 800. Salary is called what we know, 5.6. She become project leader. So here it is called what? PL. This is called updating file data is coming now. This data I want to write to the file. How do you write to the file? That's why I'm opening with employee.pick WP. That data I want to write it. Open data. What should I do now? Inside of that. So what should I do? For record in where? For record in where? All EMP rec. One record is ready. That record I will write to the file. What is my file? Employee.pick. There I will write what? Pickle dot. What is that? Lump of. What is that? Record. Beautiful. So record, I'll say. Which record? Modified data. Earlier one is updated with what? Record. Comma what? Here I will write as what? FP. FP. I will write it as what? FP. A beautiful subject. So here I will write it. It is done. So here I will write it. Already we are getting it. File details are going to be updated. File details are updated. After finishing that, we are going to say else part here. Simply say file details are updated. Verify. 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 Are you following me? This is about which concept? Update file. Shall I run this code now? Yes. Be careful, students. Now I'm going to see. See, now student name is still same. Earlier I was updated. Now I'm entering. So what is it now? 125. What is happening? Employee number does not exist. Run it again. What is my number? 800. 800. Enter employee salary. 4.5 is called what? Team lead. Team lead. Team lead. Now what is happening? Employee details updated, verify. How I will verify? I have to rerun my program again. I have to rerun my program again. Rerun my program. TL. TL. This is the beauty of the subject. Understood? So coming to the point of it, 500, 500. So enter the new salary 0.01, 0.01, 0.01. So next is called what? Something like, so I'll write it something like, okay, already trainer is there. Java trainer, I wrote it. Java trainer, I wrote it. So Java TR. What is happening? Employee details are what? Updated. Run it again. What is happening? Java trainer. So beautiful code this is. I will go and write in where? I will go to my project. So Sagar, beautiful sir. Thank you. So Yogesh, beautiful sir. This is what is called updated my file. Shall I go to my file now? These records are there, na? These records I will print in the proper manner. What is that? These details are there. This I don't write it. Why I don't write it? Because I finished my task. This is I finished my task. Here it is there, na? I will print in the proper format. What is that? Here I will write it. Print of existing employee details. Existing employee details. So this is the one. Here I am writing existing employee details. Print of this one. Here it is available like this. So this part I am taking it. This I am taking it. While true, this part I will write it. For REC in where record print of what now? Here I am writing. I'm writing there. Here I'm writing there. Same like this. So dot the format of what is this now? REC, REC, comma, end is equal to \t, \t, coming to this place. Here I will write it. So I'll write it here, print off like this. And end of this line, I will say, end of this line, I will say, this is called what? Pickle of it and done. So now, last and final students, I'm going to run this program separately. See this now. So stop and run. Now this is the data which is available. Enter the employee number here. Says 345. Employee number does not exist. Run it again. So run it again. So here it is called what? 500. I say 500. So 500 it is saying that what is happening? Not there it is saying. 500 is there or not there? 500 is there. So why it is coming? What is the mistake here? Print off. EOF error. Updation is what? Print off. Update is equal to false. Updation is false of this value. So try to run it. So here you enter 500. Employee number does not exist. There is a mistake. REC. It is coming out of that. Breaking out of this while loop. Updation. Employee number does not exist. It is coming out of where? While loop. It is breaking out of that. Coming to this place. Employee number. Range of this data. So you try to run this once. Say 500. Employee number does not exist. Why it is coming? What is that? So here, all these things. So I need to go for this is printed. Okay. This is the, let me get it back once and let me see the status of it. This is the original status. Let me remove this. Try to see 500. Okay, 0.0. So Python, it is done. Execute once again. You're getting that's working fine. So that we don't want to disturb it. So here what I'm trying to write is it is printing that record is printing. All records are there that you even I need not to print this record at all. I need not to print this record at all. And this details, I'm going to keep it in where updating I'm going to take. So this part, go to the my menu. I will take it what here? 5 I'm going to take it. Print of what? \t. What is this? 5. And what is this? Update EMP details. Update employee details. Update employee details. This is called a sixth. I will take it. Sixth, I'm going to take it. So go to the main project. Case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, case 5. Case 5. What is the case 5? Which function I have to call it? Where is it? Update. This function I will call it. This function I will call it. This I will call it employee update. So this I will take it from where? EMP update, import EMP update. This is called a sixth. This is called a sixth. So let us start working on that. Let us go to the update once. This you need not to print it. I'm not printing that at all. Why? Because anyhow I can view. And here I'm printing this record, pickle dot this thing. Okay. This part you eliminate. Why I am eliminating? Because I am calling over there. So my main project, I will run it. So let's run. Beautiful. So this is my data. View all the employees. What is my employees here? Just a minute. I'll say 60 is here. Exit. Go to the place of update. Enter employee number for getting the details like this. And try to go to this place. Try to run. What is the first one? View all employees. View all employees. This is called my employee details. Existing employee details. That's why I removed that printing. What I'm going to do, I want to go for going for SR is a student. So 600, I'll go for, what is that now? 5. 5. Enter employee number for updating. I will say what? 600. 600 I entered. Enter the new employee salary. 600 is having what, 1.2 is called 5.5 is called what? SE is called SE. So employee details updated, verify. How can I see that it is a verification? 2. 2. Is he becoming SE or not? SR has become what? SE. Beautiful. This is more important. So actually, I thought that you are intelligent. That's why I said this quote. Are you intelligent? Yeah, Palkarenta. Are you intelligent? Right, done. This is online students. You say this, we'll go for it. Search for an employee. 4. Enter employee number. Who is this? 600 I will enter. 600 also getting what? SE only. Earlier he was a student. Now it is like this. Are you following? Like this we can go for it. Now I can go for it. Sushil, sir, can we update only salary and keep the same designation and check once? No problem. My dear student, Sushil, don't go to that very substandard doubt. Here, if you want to go for what, I'll say exit. Since this is called sixth, come out of that. What is happening? If I don't want to update that, what you will do simply, I'll keep a comment. What is there in that? Simply, I'm going to update the salary designation I'm keeping as it is. Go to the execution. Go to the execution. Go to the place. What is that now? View all employee details. Second. These are the details. Go to what? So 700 I will go for it. 700 I will go for it. 700. That is, say, update 5. 5. Enter enter new update salary. Enter employee number to update. What is an employee number here? 700. 700. So HR salary reduced 2.2. It is updated. Verify. View all the employee details. 2. It is 2.2 updated or not? HR is remain same. Sushil. Are you getting it? It is updated. Yes. Done. It is a matter of changing our code. That's all. You want to change it, you can go for it. So add the new employee. Add the new employee. 1. Enter the employee number. Some 900. 900. Enter the name. Sushil. So next is called salary is called 1.2. Is called what you know? Something like HR training. HR training. Yes. No. I'll say here 2. 2. All the employees are coming. Now I need to go for deleting the record. How do you delete the record? Will you write the code? Shall I write it or you will write the code? You write. You will write. You are me. Sir or student. Sir will write a student will write a student will write. No, you don't write, I don't write, it is in the air only. So if you write it, you can write it. So coming to the point of it. So here, online students, are you following me? So if you want me, I will write the code. If you say, sir, you will write, you can write it. I'm giving the chance for you, whatever you say. So almost, what is that? If we want to update specific details on, we can write again match case for that update part, right, sir? Not like that. Whatever you are updating, you have to update the first list of values. That list of values you have to write to the file. Are you following me? So for deleting is concerned, what do you need to do? Accept the employee number. Employee number is found in that. That record has to be removed. Which function you will use? No? That's why I will say I will write in the class. Remove function I will use it. So I will use pop function I will use. Remove function I will use. Go to the place here. List. List function 7am. Data types here. List data type. Predefined functions in list. There append. Insert. Next is called remove. And next. This is called remove. Remove based on value. Based on value. Based on value. Whatever the value is there, that I want to remove it. Are you following me? That entire function is removing. That entire function is removing. But I want to remove what? That list itself I want to remove. That entire value I want to remove. How do you remove? How do you remove? How do you remove? That is an important. I will go for pop. Pop function you see. Pop of what? Index. The records are available in what? Outer list. Outer list is going to be removed with what? Inner list. Inner lists are available in the form of what? Indexes. That pop of index I will say. Modhu did not get it. Opening the bitter chubul chusnar. So in Telugu that is called. So right. LST is equal to 10 RS. అందుకనే చదువుకోవాలి బాగా. So of what? SR. Next is called what? You know, like this. Now I will go for 30. Without telling also I can move forward. Without telling also I can move forward. But if I move forward, that is not a class. That is like other institute classes. Because of that, what will happen? Nothing will come. So LST printed all the data. I want to remove this. When I want to say remove, you need to do what? Complete data you need to pass. Complete data is passing is waste of time. I will go for what? LST dot pop off. What I will say? 1 I will say. Pop off 1. That complete record is gone. Print LST. That complete record gone. So we need to remove what? Complete record. Are you following me? So that is what I need. That is what I need. The remaining records I need to update to the file. That's the beauty. Shall I write the code? Will you write or shall I write? You will write. Okay. If you write it, that's a beautiful. So write that code by yourself, and tomorrow I I I should hear that you need to do this. So this one you try to go for it, and delete is also one pending. If you write it, it's beautiful. See, for writing update is concerned, see how much logic is required, because writing code will give you lot of concept here. Here also what I will do, I'll get all the records. Here I'm going to accept the employee number and locate it if it is found, and locate that I value and simply say what? Remove. So by seeing lot of people, I'm feeling that they cannot write it. So I'm going to say go to that, because you don't write, if you don't write, if I don't write, and some interesting people are available, that time it is a problem. So within 10 minutes I will do. .py, it is called what here? File name. What I do is, whatever the code was there in this case, I'll carry here, take care, I'm going to write it. So there I'm going to write it, students, delete, emp delete, emp delete, function name, pick, get all the records. What is this now? Updation is equal to false. Deletion is also one kind of updation only. So deletion is equal to false. If you want, you can say deletion is equal to false. I took it. Enter employee number to delete to delete. Enter employee number to delete. To delete. Enter employee number to delete from the file. To delete from file. For I in range of what? That value. Employee number is equal to all record of I comma 0. If I found that, what I will do? If I found that, what I will do? Earlier, if you want to keep it, you can keep that HR related. I put a comment now. If you want, you can keep that. If you want, you can keep it. Or if you want, you can remove that comment, earlier one. Now here, once if I found it, what is happening? Deletion is equal to what? What should I do? Once it is done, what should I do? All EMP record of what? All REMPC, this record, I will say what? Not what? Not pop of what? I. What is that I? Keeps track of the records, record IDs, record indexes. Then what is this now? Deletion. Deletion is equal to what? True. Here, what is this now? Deletion. Deletion. If it is a true, update file. All employee records. All employee records. Otherwise, employee record does not exist to delete. Employee file. This is called what? Update file. For a moment, I'm going to keep a comment here. This one, you keep a comment. For a few minutes, don't worry. I will bring it here. I'll keep it now. I'll go to this place. I will see that whether it is deleted or not. Whether it is deleted or not, I will look into this. Are you following me? So look into that. Forward, record in where? All EMP REC. Print of what? Record. Record. Are you following me? So new details. These are called new details. New file details. New file details. New record details. New record details. Details going to update the file, going to update the file. So this is called what function? EMP delete. It's not a joke to write such beautiful code. So here you try to write it, function call, try to run. So enter employee number to delete. Suppose if you don't want, if you want to see that record values, if you want to see this record values here, if you want to see, what are the record values you want to see? Print of what? For your just testing purpose, I am saying. Testing purpose, I am saying. These are my details. These are my details. Enter employee number to delete the file. 125, I am saying, does not exist. You run it again. Now I'm saying what? I'm saying 500. 500 I'm entering. What is happening? 500 is gone. 500 is gone. Gone. That's a beauty. I will run once again. 500. See, 500 is coming because I'm not updating the file. Now I'm going to write the code for what? Updating the file with deleted record. Understood? Huh? So I'll write 125, which is not there. Okay. Now I'm going to bring my records. So I will bring my code of this update. I will write my code. This part as it is, I will bring here written WB. Why WB? Earlier it was containing original one. I'm overriding that. Pickle dot dump of record. Beautiful. Employee details are updated. Super. Go to where? Menu. Go to menu. Go to my main menu. Where is a menu here? So where is this EMP menu, students? EMP menu. EMP menu. What is the next here? Print of what here? \T. Sixth. What is this now? Delete. Delete. EMP record. Delete EMP details. Delete EMP details. Okay. This is called a 7. This is called a 7. Come to main project. Here I am writing 6. Here I will carry this. Here I will carry this. Here I will write it 6, 7. Sixth you need to write what? What I should write it? EMP delete. EMP delete. So beautiful. So here coming to this place. Sixth. So okay. EMP delete automatically coming. Where is the EMP delete? EMP delete automatically coming. So run 1 minute more. I'll say here EMP delete where it is. You try to remove that because I don't want to write that kind of thing. See, one function is calling another function here. Coming to the main project, see that, go to that, view all employees, view all employees. Two, these are all my employees which I am having. I want to remove 500. I want to remove. Yes, I'll say what is that? 6. 6. Enter your choice. This details. These details also I want to remove. These details are already showing now. I want to remove it. Just a minute. I want to remove. Go to delete for your understanding purpose. I was printed, correct? This I want to remove. So go to this place. Here I will say, run this code and say view all the details. Second, all the details are available here. Now I want to go for what? Delete. 6. 6 you say. What is the 6 now? This 500 I want to remove. 500 I will say 500. What is happening? Employee details are updated, deleted, and I want to view. Say what is this now? 2. 2. What is not there? 500 is not there. 500 is not there. I want to remove the 100. I want to remove the 100. Choice is called what? 6. 6. 100 I want to remove. Yes, sir. Details are updated. Remove. And see that. Say here 2. 2. 100 is not there. This is perfect program. If you go to Apollo Pharmacy, MedPlus, if I want to develop pharmacy project, medicines are coming, adding. When I sell out the medicine, I reorder level will be decreased. It is not even updating the things. You can develop any project very easily. Following me? Anywhere else, if you go for it. So this kind of things is very useful. That's why even we can keep this kind of thing in the description. If I say V1 employee 500, which I was removed, employee record does not exist, not existing. Are you following? Like that. So update 5. I want to update something like SS 900. 900 is there. I will say 5. I'll say 5. Update. Enter the employee number 500. 500, 800. What is that? 900. 900. 900 I'm going to say. New salary 9.9. 9.9. It's called PM. So update it. Update it. Go to that what? Go to that. Say view all employees. View all employees. Is it 9.9 and PM is coming up? Like that. You can go for deleting. Whatever you like it, you can go for it. Almost everything is added. Go to any website. There is a menu is available. Django level, if you go, this is also one project. With the Django project, with the MBT architecture, you will develop model view template. Right? This type of subject you have to get it in the classes. Okay now? So this code I will send you as it is. After going to home, you have to practice first. Not copy paste and then running like this. No, you have to type on your own and you have to feel it. Understood? So online students, is this is understandable to everybody? Is this code is understandable to everybody? Emmanuel, super sir. Okay. So like that, we will do this now. We'll stop the class and tomorrow class will go for what? Working with CSV file. I will go for it. So students, tomorrow there is a class, new class is starting. Full stack Python is starting. I already intimated you. 11 a.m. Any friends are there? Tell them. Tell them. So how the things will be. So I'll stop my class. Tomorrow class will go for what? CSV file with Excel, with Excel data. That Excel data you can use in Power BI. You can use it in Pandas. You can use it in many places. You have to write it. So these are all part of what? Files only. In C language also you can do this. But C language people don't tell all these things because C language is C language only. C. It is a C. You cannot see that. That's why it is called a C. If you are able to see, you can see. Otherwise, you cannot see. Okay, students, whatever it is happening. Huh? Nagendra Babu, let's see. Okay, it is letter C only, not C language. Anyhow, I will send you this now. It is a project. This you try to do it and do more and more here. Okay, students, carry on. Tomorrow class, don't miss it. Thank you. Evening 6 o'clock, 6 o'clock, morning 7 o'clock. Thank you. Online students, you hold on. I'll come to that. I'll talk to you. Online students. So 213-124-004. My dear student, modules onwards, it is an advanced Python only. Already said in the class. That is an advanced Python only. All these things are advanced Python topics. From modules onwards, that is called advanced Python only. Right. Any more doubts? Brahmaji, I already said na, we are keeping in the while loop. We are keeping in the while loop. We are updating multiple times. You need to understand that. Brahmaji, I already said while loop only we are keeping. When I am keeping in while loop means is it not multiple things? Understand subject, my dear student. Understand the subject. So simply asking that understand subject. So any more doubt, students? Asif, we are using pickling over there. Pickling, dump, pickle dot dump. So we need to use a WB. Pickle concept we are using, we need to use a WB. Okay. So students, I hope no more doubts are there. So I'll stop it and I'll upload this project for you. You try to do that. Thank you. All the best.